I am Damien from Pulling Money. I'm going to teach you how to place an order on the mobile trader app. So in the horizontal mode, in the vertical mode, you click on this plus button on the top right hand corner. Right. So if you want to place a order, whether you want to place a sell order or a buy order, you click sell or buy. This option right here, you click trade, you click the plus sign to place a order. From the currency pair menu, click on it. You can place an order on any one of them. So if you want to place an order on the GBP US, you click on it and then you click new order. Takes you to the buy and sell button. Right. AUD Australian dollar versus US dollar. Click on it, new order. Right. You can place a sell or a buy trade. When you are in horizontal mode, click this button right here, you click trade. Right there you can place your order. Now when you are in the horizontal mode, you tap in an empty space, click the top right hand plus button to make a order. Right. So if this video is of value to you, leave a comment, click the like button, share, help me to make more video.